waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Sorry if I'm not in the mood. I don't really have a good excuse. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me.
Good
I'm
boy.
coming back slowly, so
Good
slowly.
boy.
And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know?
That's our angel. Sit down. Sit. Get the mummy paw. Good boy. Good morning all. The cat's trying to run outside. As you saw, we now have the baby, which I'm very happy to have him back. We had a lovely few days in the sun. Our friend ordered in a hot tub and he was going to have it in his living room, but decided it was probably better to have it in our garden, so that was nice. Caught a little bit of sun, which you can't see right now because I'm in bright sunlight, but I do have a bit of colour on me, which is lovely. But we've been lazy since then, watching the football and stuff yesterday, and then the day before that we were obviously a little bit hungover because we spent the evening out there in the hot tub, which was lovely. Because by the evening it got a bit cold, but obviously the water was warm. I am just having my morning smoothie. In terms of house update, we haven't done anything recently, although the other day when our friends came, they did pick up on the way a few chairs, which I'll show you. We're going to paint them matte black. I still need to order a new table. Funds are low at the moment, so this kitchen costs quite a lot to do, so we'll do that in time, but that's exciting. So slowly that's going to happen. The table that we have right now here is going to go into the garden eventually. But yeah, today is a clean up day, and I do need to go to the shop and get some food as well. But this kitchen is a bit of a mess, and it's bothering me because now it's nice and brand new. I can't deal with this mess. So let's do a little cleaning montage. What else is happening? It's gonna be nice weather tomorrow. It's gonna be like 27 degrees for the next couple of days. It's a bit mild today, obviously not freezing because I'm in summer clothes, but it's gonna be it's mild today and then it's gonna be sunny tomorrow. So probably gonna lay out a little bit more, spend some time in the garden. I haven't done anything in the garden either. We've just been having a couple of days of enjoyment really, which has been nice, a good little break, but I do want to carry on with the house. So I will probably get painting very soon, if not this week coming. Today is Saturday? Yeah. So this week coming, I think I'm gonna start painting, getting that room nice and white and clean looking, ready for whenever I do order the table. I want a little bookshelf as well for the TV to go on. It's black, they call it black brown. Billy bookcase is just a 2-door, but it's short, whereas the shelves that we had before there, especially 2 of them right next to each other, were both long, so it looked quite cluttered. So that's gonna look nice in there. And yeah, we've just been enjoying ourselves with a little nugget. Where is it? Say hello to the world. I miss them terribly. So I'm very happy to have him back for the next few weeks. He was a bit scared of the house, I'm not gonna lie, because he hasn't seen it since we've updated a few things, but now he's comfortable. Wagging your tail. And as you saw yesterday, we watched the opening ceremony of the Euros, so we're basically going to be watching that for next month, aren't we, babe? Fingers crossed. And yeah, figure out what to eat today, but made my smoothie is quite green looking today, even though I'm going to put avocado. I don't think I put avocado. I put, this one's mango, spinach, oats, strawberries and goji berries. Everything I put in it is frozen, so it blends quite well, apart from the oats and the goji berries. So trying to get, oh, I did a workout this morning as well, first workout for God knows how long, which felt amazing. So I want to get back onto that, get back onto eating a little bit better as well, because we've been eating a lot of just like frozen sausage rolls, curly fries, garlic bread, all sorts. There's actually more garlic bread, so probably gonna have a little bit more before we go get healthier, but that's fine. A little bit of treat is okay. But yes, let's get to cooking. I mean cooking, I'm not cooking, cleaning, because this area is a mess.
To say, but it's just that love is so hard, and sometimes I don't know who we are. So when you get it mad in my car, I'll try to act cool. Whoa, but something's so wrong.
So I did just want to show you quickly, these are the chairs that we got from Marketplace. So we have 3 of these. They were £15, and then this one was completely free. And it's basically the same, apart from, as you can see, there's 2 spindles at the bottom there rather than 1. But we plan on all painting every single one of them, all 4 of them, in a matte black paint, and then we will have 2 feature chairs on either end of the table, and these will be the middle chairs. That's the plan. But I am dressed and ready to go to the shop because we need some food. So let's go.
Sometimes I can't sleep now and you're starting to drown. You gotta just get down. Won't you come try to ask? I don't wanna deal with this. Whoa, you say I ain't so trying to listen to you. I'm calling to this, baby. I know she tries to shine. I know this is true. I just can't believe this is time to go. Oh no, 'cause I'm feeling so good. Sometimes I should go to sleep. I'm starting to drown and just calm down. Won't you come try this? I don't wanna do this. Whoa, so sick of it. So
much anticipation. Gosh, just imagine what those fans at Wembley will be thinking. Memories of some of them will go back to